Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to unblock someone on Instagram application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure you're signed in with the account that you use or you want to use. And after that, you just need to go into your profile sections. We need to find whose account that we blocked and whose account that we want to unblock. So here, to find that, you just need to go in this top right corner with the three straight line symbol and then just click it. And now you just need to visit your settings and privacy, and in this settings and privacy you just need to scrolling down until you found this who can see your content boxes, and then you just need to go click this blocked section, and there will be containing the account that you blocked before. And then here, if you want to unblock the account, you just need to go click this unblock and confirm that you want to unblock the account. So now those will be unblocked automatically and you can reach those accounts back. So that's the way how to unblock someone in Instagram application. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.